11:17 right now. Well, it was a beautiful day, and then the skies opened up.
And then all of a sudden, bam.
Yeah.
And I think that was repeated by people all over Northeast Ohio at different times of the day, because it was one of those days we had a little bit of everything. We had sunshine, we had rain, and as we head through the night, we've got more of that coming. Variably cloudy skies expected. Scattered rain chances will still be with us. Temperatures, though, are going to dip back into the 50s, and for some folks, 40s tomorrow morning. Yeah, we could see some lower end 40s down to the south of Greater Cleveland. So we'll keep an eye on the thermometers tomorrow morning, but you can really see the difference between the lakeshore and areas farther south. Now in the spring, this is totally flipped. Do you remember how we get the cold lake water, and that means the lakeshore areas stay so much colder than the areas farther south. So as we get into fall, the lake is warm. It's going to do its thing on keeping the lakeshore a little bit warmer. Satellite and radar showing the showers that came through Greater Cleveland earlier. They continue to pull out to the east, but we have more of these scattered showers that are lining up to the west of us. Nothing that's a complete washout, but you can see how we're starting to see these showers generated off of northern Lake Michigan. Lake Superior's been doing the same thing, and we're likely to inherit more of those showers as we head into the start of the day tomorrow, and especially tomorrow afternoon. We have cold air aloft, and that does some pretty reactive things with the heat of the day. There is a look at the rain that came through. The Guardians went on to a short rain delay, got back to playing, and somehow managed to finish the game. Nick will have more on that coming up in just a few minutes, but you can see how we still have these rain showers that are stacked across the lakeshore areas. These will continue to fade to the east-southeast, and we have had a couple little booms of lightning and thunder this evening. What we have also had is additional waterspout reports. There have been numerous reports of waterspouts today, including one this afternoon that I got to see. I was so excited to get to see it. And it's this one that was right there, way out in the middle of the lake. This is what it looked like from our back deck. And you can see the big funnel going down. It gets stretched out, and the condensation funnel kind of dissipates in the middle. But then the lower end of that funnel right there, we couldn't see if it actually was touching the water at this point. My guess is no, but that's a pretty good one. It was a few miles offshore. We do have a chance for some waterspouts again tomorrow. So if you're traveling around downtown or the lakeshore areas, keep an eye out. But the rain chances are kind of small tomorrow in relation to what we had today. Today we knew we were going to have rain coming in, and what rain came could be heavy at times. Tomorrow we're going to do the same thing, although I think the showers won't be quite as numerous at this point. Just something to keep an eye on. Maybe remember as you're headed out and about. And if you're going to tomorrow night's Guardians game, it does look like it's going to be cool. Temperatures in the 60s here in downtown Cleveland. And again, a few peaks of sun, a few showers too. Here's your National Design-Mar hour-by-hour forecast. This evening's round of rain will be moving out. There's our 40s as we get the day started tomorrow. And then clouds are going to start to bubble up as heating takes place. We're likely to make it into the upper 60s, around 70 degrees for the day. And when we get that little bit of heating, it reacts with the cold air aloft, and that is going to pop up a few scattered showers for us. We may have rumbles of thunder. I don't think it's like one of the slam dunk kind of things in the forecast, but more likely than not, we'll have a few of these scattered showers that linger into the start of the day on Wednesday even, and that is because of this cold air. But Wednesday into Thursday, we're going to change things around. We're going to get this batch of cold air moving out, and the next cold front will be dropping in. That will likely mean rain, maybe rumbles of thunder for late Thursday into Friday. And as of right now, that would tee up then our holiday weekend forecast, which shakes out to be pretty nice for us. Here's your Union Home Mortgage outlook, and you can see where temperatures go over the next couple of days. Ahead of that front, we'll be warming up. Then we'll dial it back into the 60s Friday, and then we start a whole new warming trend. That one's going to be a little more robust, and it's going to be accompanied by a little more sunshine too. And it just so happens to line up with the holiday.
Hey.
That's a win-win-win.
Win-win. 3 wins. That's awesome.
Yes.
Thanks so much, Betsy.